Hey guys, it's Jeff, and yesterday Apple released iOS 12 Beta 7 to developers, and a lot of developers, including myself, experienced this huge lag when operating the device when first turning it on. I thought this was super weird, but when I went back to install iOS 12 Beta 7 through iTunes and then started using my device, everything worked perfectly. So no lags or stutters, and Beta 7 actually felt like a really good update. So yesterday's video is purely on the update portion through iTunes, not over the air. So for those of you wondering if you should update, as of now, you actually can't, because just like the group FaceTime feature, Apple has also pulled Beta 7 from the over-the-air update server and as well the developer portal. So for those of you who have the update currently installed, the issues actually don't last forever. The initial lag only comes when you start using the device initially after the over-the-air update, so if you do a restart, that should fix the issue. Hopefully there will be an update coming very soon, hopefully the second version of iOS 12 Beta 7 or iOS 12 Beta 8, so that users can kind of go about using their devices without any issues. So make sure to get subscribed and hit that bell button to stay up to date on that news. We will definitely get that out to you as soon as it becomes available. So guys, thanks for watching this super short video. If you have any questions, you can always shoot those over to me via the beta forum. Link for that will be in the description below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Molecule is the air purifier that actually makes a difference. I personally own this product, and compared to a Dyson, it's the best air purifier that I have used so far. So if you want to make a difference in your air quality at home or at work, check out Molecule. There will be a link in the description below.